Yes, friends, I am again with you with the next step in signature, that is using father's name or father initial. That means tense at the place of it denotes effect of surname. That means first letter denotes the female character or female energy, that is emotional energy. Others balance alphabets, they denote relation and profession of that particular person. Now, if he writes father name, that is part of tense at the place of unit, so you can think about the result wise. Now, what is the meaning of writing father name at unit or at signature area? Father means considering himself as extra smart, extra responsibility taker on his own shoulder, behaves like an elderly person, and accepts responsibility like an elderly person, or wants to prove that he is equal to the elderly person at home or in the society, or he likes his father character wise, profession wise, and he wants to achieve as per his father, but doesn't want to take support of his father. Then also he would like to show himself as equivalent to father, so he will prove that I am also better level by writing father initial, father name in the signature part. Now, father name is a male part, but in signature, anything written in unit place, first letter denotes female energy, so there will be a contradiction in male energy and female energy, that is emotion and action plan. So this will disturb him while handling or dealing with relations and profession area. He, because he is writing father name, he may prefer father profession, wants to achieve that stage, but without taking any support of elderly people, and he wants everything to prove himself that he himself can achieve this elderly stage in life, which will be a problem for him to achieve because he is not a beneficiary in that signature part. He is the only writing tense at the place of unit. Tense is fatherly figure energy. So one should use that instead of unnecessarily wasting that. Now, if he writes initials of father at the place of unit, when somebody writes only initial, there is a he wants to prove that he is hiding so many things or he is capable of hiding so many things. He will talk only when it is required at extreme level. So that is again he wants to prove himself that he can hide so many things and will reveal only at the neck of the time. Maybe it relates to profession or the relation. Now alphabets of profession and relation, that is other alphabets in signature in unit area, are absent. He has written only unit part. That is why this person will again landing to instability in life. There won't be a support in profession as well as in relation area from surrounding as well as from the relatives. So it is always better to write complete name at the place of unit to get or to proceed life towards the stability, to avoid instability in life. Thank you.